So what's it about me play a what's it called? A Abby Bite in I don't know. I'm gonna play Abby Bite, or if I want to play these games in the link in the bio. Yes, in the link. Don't worry about it. So I want to play this game because I'm freaking bored. Oh my god, what the fridge? I know I'm not good to be play this game, so I play this game. I mean, I'm not kinda good, but I'm still good. I mean, I think so. I mean, I think I'm good, guys. Right? I'm all alone in this game. I don't have any friend. So yeah, I don't have any friend. So fridge. I have a brother, but she don't wanna. My god! I'm just gonna spin and start jumping. Please give me back. Please. No! Wait, you have received free stage skip. Oh my god, I'm gonna use this. Let's go. This is hard. I'm gonna puke. My god. I'm not good enough. Wait, what is this? Give me the 5. I don't care at all. I don't freaking care at all. I don't care. I'm gonna spend money to get freaking space. Oh my god. I need to beat this game. Oh my god. I mean, I'm not gonna pay to win, so I just have 40 Robux. I mean, if you guys like and subscribe, I mean, I can buy Robux to get more pay to win. I don't know. My god, I'm so fucking why I'm this bad? Oh my god, I'm freaking tired of this. I'm just bad, man. I'm just sorry guys, but I'm just bad. Fridge. Oop. I'm just bad at all. I mean, I'm not kinda bad, but I'm just bad. So, please guys, I'm just bad, so can you... Let's go! Oh my god, let's go. Oh my god, I'm good. I'm good. We're not gonna talk about that. I'm gonna rage quit in this game. I just need to win this game. I need to win this game. Rage. Let's go. Oh my god. Whew. I'm so dead. I'm dead. Oh my god. Nope. Why did I freaking go to... Oh my god. What did I... Okay. We're gonna go slow and steady. win the race. Okay, slow, steady, win the race. Let's go. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so good in this game. I'm just gonna be talking about that. I'm just lagging, you know. See, I'm good. It's easy. I never die. I told you guys I never fail. Before I said that, I died. Oh my god. Don't worry about that, my background. I don't know if you can hear them, but don't worry about my brothers annoying. I'm not just my brother and annoying. Don't worry about them. I'm just talking crap. Oh my god, I almost died. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. See, I made it. No escape, no at all. Oh my god, I'm good. I'm so good. Ah! Wait. What the frick is this game? You wanna play this? It's in the link. It's just in down in the middle. It's just in the title. Just freaking click the link and oh my god. Why I'm this bad on this game? I just one jump I die. One singular jump I die. This game making me mad so hard. Steady win the race. Slow and steady win the race. Slow and steady win the race. My god. I'm mad. I'm so freaking mad. Stop. Oh my god. That is not fun anymore. I'm just want to rage quit. I almost died. Might have fat. Let's Let's use this shit. Let's try to get up freaking ability. What is this used for? Double jump. One, 2. Oh, okay. Bro, how to use this, man? How to use it? If you can hear this, guys. See? It's not working. I just freaking. Oh, I almost did not. This is suck. Oh, it's working right. Oh, it's working. Now it's working. And now it's working. Oh my god. What the? Slow, steady. In the race. See, I win. I don't need to shit, man. See guys, I don't need to shit to win. I don't need to click this skip button. Free skip na. I don't need to skip. I'm good. I almost there. See? I'm good. See? I am good. You better get it. You have to unlock word. Damn. Series Europe. What is this? Damn. Guys. Oh, I want this. And I want this. Okay, I'm just gonna wait until I get this one. I don't wanna pay to it because I'm broke. I'm brokey. What's new available flying? Infinity fly twin. Involved. Infinity. But oh my god. Damn. It's game. And what na? I don't wanna go to work too. Let's go to Spring Dropper. Let's go to Dropper. You know what? Let's go to Dropper. I don't know if this game is good or not. I'm just gonna see. Load up, load up. Oh my god, let's go. Let me see. I cannot make it. It just drop you? Just like this? No. If this get on again. If this dress not, I'm gonna reach it. See? I'm in upside down. See? I'm not gonna move. I'm gonna still win. Look at it. This is easy game that I play. What is this? Map time. Map shutdown. Global log. Vocal infinity offer. See? I'm still enough. I don't move at all. Okay, baby, this one is gonna move me. Okay. Let's go back. I'm not gonna move. I'm just gonna move a little bit. Let's go on this one.
Yeah. Let's go in this side.
not gonna die in this side. I'm cool. Kasi wait. Wait. Yeah, it's not. See? I'm still falling down. Hurry up. I think I see. What is that? No, still going. Wait, I'm almost down. Let's freaking wait. I don't see that before. Oh, they just copy this map and ooh, damn. Let's go back. Wait. No, I miss it. No, oh my god. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, and like the video. See you.